Okay, fresh off the success of our 1957 Ford F100 to Ford Explorer chassis swap episode, we're switching this to Tetanus, our 1989 Ford. Sorry, it's not ready. More than likely, if you're watching this channel, you understand. What I do have ready for you today is some really cool footage of updating the BroncoVic. The BroncoVic is our 78 Ford Bronco on a Crown Vic chassis. To my knowledge, it's the only one out there in existence this way. We shortened the frame to make it fit. We slammed the shit out of it, body on the chassis. And while there's been a few people build some since this is the original and this is the one that started it all. So hang out, watch these updates. Wheels, tires, seat belts, seats, safety devices, and more importantly, it gets a new butt. That's right, a tailgate. You're not gonna wanna miss it.
I got the tailgate.
Okay.
And I've got the hardware. But you and your, you filled all the holes with spray foam. So to all the people that watch this and talk shit about you and spray foam.
You're right.
We're gonna dig that out.
I don't want to scratch it.
We could spray foam this if it makes you feel better.
I feel like we might have to.
The other thing I heard more recently is if you get the spray foam that's for ponds and sculpting, it comes in black and it's a closed cell and it won't take on moisture. But it's for ponds and rocks. And it's like for people that do their own aquarium stuff and then build their own things inside there. Yeah.
Where do I get this at?
I imagine your normal spray foam get in place. We'll have it.
I don't feel like Dollar General will have that. Get. Oh shit.
No good deed goes unpunished, does it?
Man, if I'd have thought I was going to have to get back in here, I would have took a little more due diligence in doing this. That's in there, bro.
Those are some weird ones. Look at that. They spin within that washer.
Oh yeah, that's some factory Ford tomfoolery. Just talked to Alan 2 days ago about just getting a black tailgate and welding it on here, just like an F100 tailgate.
Well, I already told you that. The comments like BroncoVic's up next.
Yeah. Look at this chaos.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I gotta get way down there. Oh, my dad would kick my ass if he saw this. I think that's good enough. I'd hate to have to refoam all that. That's how this goes.
Flip that bottom hinge around all the way.
Like this?
Yeah, like that.
Like
Well, those are square holes, and I think they kind of just index into those holes.
Let's don't bog with details. Let's just get it done.
All right. Fair enough. To the Thunderdome.
Oh, this is already amazing. Yeah, that's the look we're looking for right there. You know how many tickets I'm gonna get now with a big red target on my back? I think this might be the greatest update that's ever happened to this vehicle. I wonder if it'll be able to open and shut with the roll pan without denting the piss out of it. Looks like it will.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the waterproof foam you speak of?
It's called like ponds and rocks, but it's black, so it looks a lot like the stuff that came Explorer.
Oh, from the factory?
Yeah. Those wheels do look good, though.
I know, right? Okay, so the wheels are 18-inch. They're Chrysler wheels. I'm not sure if they're off a Challenger or a Charger. So the truck does handle a lot better in corners and whatnot with this wheel and tire package. The combination with less tire roll than the 15s makes a big difference cornering. You know, when you're out ripping corners in your 78 Bronco.
Is the Crown Vic just on blocks over there?
Come on, man. I'm not gonna do that.
Yes, you
Give me a
will.
little credit.
Did you buy that Miata bar new?
Yeah, I say Miata. It's just universal. And then I had to widen it. The only reason I put that in is because I need somewhere to mount the seat belts too. The only reason I put the seat belts in it is because the seats that I bought had the holes for them. I went down a rabbit hole chasing parts that were cheap and collectively made a patch of parts that exceeded the cost if I'd have just bought some nice seats. And that's basically the definition of hot rodding.
Is it flexing that up?
So
Is it
you
just
watch it when I try to open it.
It's flexing. That's why it's doing that.
So I haven't figured out a latch yet. Right now it's very Dukes of Hazzard. Crawl in and out of it. But I'll figure out something. Door panels. Bought brand new door panels off the internet. They're just repops, nothing special, but they're black. I did get new armrest, all new hardware, new clips, so no rattles, and a little more interior comfort. So I did pull the original Crown Vic HVAC stuff out of the dash. Made some quick sheet metal panels to just fill the holes for now. And they're not welded in, they're just sheet metal screwed. So whenever I do decide to do something, if I do, it's easy to remove them. In order to fit the wheels and tires, I did have to clearance more of the inner fenders. It's not that big a deal. There really wasn't much there left to clearance. But I did build a new support for the fuse panel, which is just this piece here. And then I had to build new supports for the battery tray, which you can see those little deals there. And that one. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If it seemed last minute or rushed, that's because it actually was. It's literally Sunday morning, about 11:30 in the morning here. So the reason Tetanus got pushed off, I don't know if I mentioned that at the front, is we had... I needed more components for the fuel system to finish that, but the lines and the fittings actually arrived this morning. And then yesterday, about midday, where we're usually wrapping things up and filming the things we needed to do, we had an emergency parts purchase come up about 2 hours from here, and I had to go get it, what it was. I can't wait to share it with you, but unfortunately, I don't want to, spoil everything either. So, I like the Thursday night feel. It feels more of like an old school hot rod show to me, and I'm going to do it that way. I think we did the seat belts, the seat belt bracket, new seats, new seat mounts, clearance for bigger wheels and tires, installed bigger wheels and tires, got rid of the Crown Vic HVAC stuff, which was an eyesore, and that was a great addition by subtraction. So those things are always cheap and fun to achieve. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I didn't want to just not give you something because it's been a couple weeks. Same token, I didn't want to just throw the Tetanus video out because there's some good quality content already edited and I'm going to add to it this week. So you mad because of that? I guess kick rocks. I don't know what to tell you. I'm trying, man. So, okay, so if you enjoy your time here at Mugg Customs, please run over to muggcustoms.com and pick up a t-shirt or sticker pack. Help fund builds just like you're watching now.